question is to you, Tuhin Sinha. It is a jhatka, whichever way you spin it. Sanjay Singh, the man who you sent to jail saying that he has taken 2 crore rupees, is now going to be out on bail. How and why?
Well, good evening, Padmaja. You know, the hyper excitement of Aam Aadmi Party and some of the other opposition parties over the release of Sanjay Singh only shows that they are ill-equipped to understand and comprehend serious issues. Now, you know, the ED does not derive any special joy in keeping people behind bars for eternity. If the interrogation of Sanjay Singh, who anyway has never been called the mastermind or the kingpin, is not required beyond a stipulated time, if possibly he has cooperated and given the information that ED required, the ED would not extend his custody. And so therefore in court today, the ED did not oppose it. As you are aware of the facts of today's hearing. And in fact, the same judge, Mr. Khanna, he was also the judge on 30th October 2023 when Manish Sisodia had been denied bail, and on that day the judgment read that a money trail of 338 crore has been tentatively established. So, you know, I think post today's judgment, the Aam Aadmi Party should stop vilifying our institutions. They should stop vilifying ED. They should stop vilifying. And if you go purely by Aam Aadmi Party's logic,
so if you're saying that the same judge gave bail to Manish, the same judge gave bail to Sanjay Singh but did not give it to Manish Sisodia, then are you suggesting that Manish Sisodia is more guilty than Sanjay Singh?
Well, Manish Sisodia has always been, you know, in one of the judgments, one of the courts has said that he is the prime architect of the entire scam. So obviously the kingpins are Manish Sisodia and Arvind Kejriwal. If
then why did you put poor Sanjay Singh in jail for 6 months? Today,
possibly No, because in a case of this nature, mere proximity amounts to culpability.
What nonsense!
And you know, there were serious allegations of him taking 2 crore bribe. So if beyond a certain point he has cooperated in the interrogation, or you know his interrogation is further not required, then obviously as a procedure he will get a bail. But that by no means it means that he is acquitted, and that is the difference which Aam Aadmi Party does not seem to understand.
Okay, respond, Abhishek.
Padmaja, I'm a lawyer. There's no principle called mere proximity equals culpability. I don't know where Mr. Sinha has got this principle from. Now, Padmaja, you asked a couple of questions. Does this mean the collapse of the ED's case, number one? Number two, is this a comment on the merits of the case? Padmaja, I'm a lawyer. I just want to explain for the benefit of your viewers. Section 45 of the PMLA states that the court should deny bail if it has reasonable grounds for believing that the accused has committed the offence. In the morning session, in the forenoon session, Justice Dipankar Datta and Sanjeev Khanna pointedly asked ASG SV Raju, Mr. Raju, are you opposing bail? Right? Please take instructions. They also said, Mr. Raju, Dinesh Arora, the approver, has made 9 statements. In those first 9 statements, he did not take Mr. Sanjay Singh's name. 10th statement, after Mr. Arora gets bail, he takes Sanjay Singh's name. He says then to Mr. Raju, where is the proceeds of crime? Where are these 2 crores that apparently Sanjay Singh received? They have not been able to trace the proceeds of crime. So the judges were inclined to give bail. See, what an experienced lawyer does, he knows that the judge is going to give Sanjay Singh bail. He said, take instructions from your client, the ED. Mr. Raju goes away for lunch, takes instructions from the ED, and then comes back and concedes that we have no opposition to bail. Yes, the ED has made a concession today, Padmaja. The ED has conceded defeat. The judges have said, Mr. Raju, if you don't oppose bail, we have to observe against you, because under section 45 of the PMLA, they are essentially saying, prima facie, Sanjay Singh has not committed the offence. Let that be tested at trial. Let us see where that 2 crores has gone. Body blow to the ED's case. Dinesh Arora approver statement tainted. Sharath, right? Sharath Reddy, approver statement tainted. Why? Because he's donated in electoral bonds to the BJP. Zero weight can be attached to these approver statements. You've arrested Arvind Kejriwal also on the basis of the statement of an approver. Arvind Kejriwal will get bail. Arvind Kejriwal will get out of jail.
But
there is no need for Sunita Kejriwal.
Hold on. So how are you making this leap? Because if you are saying that today Mr. Sanjay Singh getting bail shows his innocence, then the same judge not giving Manish Sisodia bail shows his culpability?
No, the legal point is this. Manish Sisodia has been arrested for committing what is known as the predicate offence. Padmaja, there are two offences here at play. The first offence is the framing of the liquor policy. The second offence is the utilization of the proceeds of crime from that alleged liquor policy, which favored certain cartels, allegedly. So Sanjay Singh has been arrested, not in the predicate offence, but he has been arrested in the money laundering offence. They're saying there is no money. So why are you arresting Sanjay Singh?
But today the court said very clearly, we are not commenting on the merits of the
But
case.
it is a body blow because when the case goes to trial, he has been granted bail under Section 45 PMLA.
Because he has been in jail for 6 months.
No, not because he's been in jail for 6 months. That is not a grant for granting bail under PMLA. There are only two grants for granting bail in the PMLA. First, the public prosecutor must be heard. S.V. Raju was heard. Ground number two, the court must believe that the accused is not reasonably committed the offence. By granting Sanjay Singh bail, the Supreme Court has made an observation that prima facie, Sanjay Singh has not committed the offence. This observation can be overturned at trial. Let the trial commence. The trial will never commence.
Okay.